We get it. Managing a business can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to sales, inventory, and customer data. Today, we're introducing a solution that will revolutionize your operations. A free and fully automated point of sale system integrated with our management software. Imagine a system that handles all your sales related tasks. This point of sale system not only keeps records of every sale, but also keeps your inventory up to date automatically. But that's not all. Alongside sales and inventory management, this system also takes care of your customer data. It tracks purchase history, helping you understand customer preferences and spending habits. And the best part? This point of sale system is fully integrated with our management software, so all your sales, inventory, and customer data are in one place, making business management a breeze. So why wait? Embrace the future of retail and make the switch to our free and fully automated point of sale system. Let it handle the heavy lifting while you focus on what truly matters, providing excellent service to your customers.